Hello, baking friends! Today, we're going to do the trending wafer paper cake. This is undoubtedly one of the most beautiful cakes I've ever seen. Let's get started! First, we're going to make the wafer petals. Using edible glitter dust, brush a generous amount of glitter onto a wafer sheet. You may want to make these ahead of time as they not only take a while to make, but you will need approximately 50 blooms for a 6-inch cake like this one. Using a hole punch, cut out as many circles as you can from the wafer paper and put them aside for the next step. I get about 22-inch rounds from my standard letter size sheet. It might look a bit light at first, but when we put the sheets together, you would see the beautiful color. Now to stack the petals to form the gorgeous blooms. Grab a clean brush and a small dish with water. Place a small line of water in the middle of one petal and stick another on top. Bend the petals at the center to form semicircles and repeat the process. Be careful with this step. The smallest amount of moisture will cause wafer paper to stick together. I stack about 10 of these to make one bloom. You can add more for even fuller blooms. After adding your last petal, press them together to get a fan-like effect when open. Time to do the baking. This cake is a 6-inch cookies and cream cake with 3 layers. For this, I use my vanilla cake recipe and add crushed Oreo cookies. I added a layer of cookies and cream frosting between each cake layer and did a crumb coat. After the crumb coat, chill the cake in the fridge for about 30 minutes before frosting. This makes adding the final layer much easier. Make sure the final layer of frosting is the same color as the blooms you're going to use. This way, any spaces between the blooms won't be that noticeable, and it will appear fuller. These glittery blooms are ready to go onto the cake. With your cake ready, take one bloom and add a small bit of frosting on the side that you're going to stick to the cake. Place it onto the cake and repeat the step. Add them in any orientation you like, unless you want the design to look more uniformed. I like the ununiformity because it gives the effect of a big, elegant bouquet. Keep going around the cake, placing blooms as close to each other as possible. You may need to press them in a little so they don't fall off the cake, but the frosting helps them stick. After placing all the blooms, chill the cake a bit to make sure they all stay put. I hope you enjoyed making this beautiful cake. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching!